Hello, my name is Dr. Jay Gottlieb. I'm a board-certified dermatologist here at Miramar Dermatology. Let's talk about systemic lupus erythematosus, or SLE. There's other forms of lupus also. Systemic lupus erythematosus can affect various parts and organs in the body. The patient may or may not have cutaneous signs, in other words, skin signs, so many times these patients do not present to a dermatologist. There's also lupus that affects primarily the skin. It can be exacerbated or come on with medications, pregnancy, or other medical conditions. There's also an acute lupus erythematosus that usually runs a relatively benign course. Making the diagnosis is the most important part of treating systemic lupus erythematosus or cutaneous lupus that affects the skin. If the skin is involved, a relatively simple painless skin biopsy is performed along with some laboratory tests. If it is found that this is primarily a skin problem, then the patient generally will be treated here in our office. If we find that the patient has more systemic disease, an immunologist or a rheumatologist is usually brought in for consultation and assist with treating this particular patient. If you suspect that you have lupus, you may find on your skin certain signs. Redness of the face that appears as a sunburn, typically involving the cheeks in what they call a butterfly pattern, or actually you can notice areas anywhere on the body. Sun exposure makes this condition much worse. Patients with SLE or with cutaneous lupus need to avoid the sun as much as possible. Use sun protection whenever possible. Again, making the diagnosis with biopsy and laboratory tests is the key. If you think you or somebody in your family may have lupus, it's best to see a board-certified dermatologist or a rheumatologist or an immunologist. Key is the laboratory evaluation and skin biopsy. There's other areas here on the website that you can visit and find out more about the cutaneous forms of lupus. If you'd like to make an appointment, please feel free to do so by calling our office, or you can click on the Contact Us button up at the top and request an appointment, and one of our front staff members will call and set up a time that's convenient for you. We participate in most insurance programs. Also, prior to coming into the office, it would be good for you to click on the registration tab. That allows you to fill out all of your paperwork prior to coming into the office. This will make for less time in the reception area and allow more time with me in the exam room and consultation office. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you very much for visiting us here at our Miramar Dermatology website.